Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to hide photos and videos on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So actually it's quite easy. At first you have to have the lock on your phone, either a passcode or Face ID set up. Then you can go to Photos and now you can select the photo that you want to hide. Tap Select, tap on your photo, or maybe two, and here you can tap this three buttons over here, three dots over here, this button with three dots. Here tap Hide, hide two photos. And now they are hidden, but where? It's the case. At first tap Collections, and wait a moment, Collections, and here scroll down, all the way down. Here, as you can see, we do have Utilities and Hidden. Here tap View Album and you'll have your Face ID enabled, but if it doesn't detect your Face ID, you can enter the passcode to check the hidden, as you can see, folder of your items. And as you can see, we have, a lot of options, a lot of pictures here. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.